Am luat la tor mai devreme, am luat la tor. Ne-a dat vreo 20 de milioane, ceva de genul. Sau în Argentina. Tu nu ești milionar în România, ești în Argentina. Eu sunt în Thailanda. Stop. Mă. Da, mă. Mamă, la limită a fost aia, mă, la limită. Și mai leagă-l pe Merlin cu aia meu. L-a legat pe Merlin! Și mai leagă odată. S-a spart, zi pe față. Cu aia meu s-a spart, zi pe față. Cu aia meu s-a spart. Haide, mă, încoplat. Bun Romo, băieți, mă. Bă, l-a legat pe Merlin ăla, mă, pe vagabondul ăla până în spate, mă.
50 spins in, we know the drill. Haha, it's in again. The 50 spin dream. It can't lose. Just every time. 50 spins bonus. Easy. Five spins left to find this, surely. Surely you're not doing me here. Thank you. Oh, it's a golden truck. Oh, it's 3.2k! What the fuck is that? Did I just win 3,200? Whoa! That never hits for anyone. All that ever does is it scurries across the screen and goes, look at me! No one actually gets it. What the fuck? Oh, I'm blown away. Gobsmacked. Extra delivery. We've even got the level up. We're at 3k. There's no way. That's oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Ah, incredible. I think I might be the first person in history to hit that on this. I need to look on YouTube and see if anyone else has hit that, because you never expect it. Never. Oh man, this game's making me dizzy now. A blood rush to my head. And I guarantee that will never happen again.
Yani paranın ilk yarısı bittiğinde, ilk 250 bittiğinde 24 oyun vardı. İkinci 250'de aslında biraz daha kötü geçmiş. İlk seferindeki gibi olsa 48 oyun olacaktı. Bizim 46 oyunumuz var. Dün Clover Gold 24 bet hayatımı kurtardı. Son 30 TL kala bonusa girdi. 2K sonra çok güzel kazançlar veriyor. Clover Gold mesela Yes! Yes! Var mı revolver? Ver lan bir şu çarpanı da ver lan. Ver şu çarpanı. Ver şu çarpanı. Yani son zamanlarda evet zorlandığımız oyunlardan para kazanıyoruz. Okey.
Ένα γρήγορα wild. Ωραία. Ωραίο αυτό. Και ρητριγεράκι και εδώ τα wild πακέτο. Κάνει ρε μαλάκα. Δεν έχουμε ποσό ρε μαλάκα της προκοπής. Ένα ποσό εδώ να πετάξει. Ξεμουνιαστήκαμε. Εδώ είναι το μυστικό σημείο. Εδώ ένα ποσό με γκράμπεμ. Κι άλλο ρε trigger.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Ωραίο. Ωραίο είναι αυτό. Πολύ ωραίο είναι αυτό. Πάμε. Πάμε το 30. Ωραίο. Τι φρουτάρα είναι αυτή ρε μαλάκες. Τι φρουτάρα είναι αυτή. 5K. What the fuck. Κι άλλο. $3.000 επίκοντα. Πολύ ωραίο. Φρουτό. Και να δεν έχει καμία σημασία.
200 gaat deze game. Nou, ik hoop op 100, dan zou ik al blij zijn. En je wilt dus zoveel mogelijk prijsjes hebben dat die blijven te tumbelen, zeg maar. Dan moet eigenlijk meteen dubbelen. En niet zo. Kom op, bovenin moet hij tumbelen. Ja, paars. Maak het spannend, kom op. Taartjes erboven, dat zou dik zijn. Of die gele. Taartjes zou kunnen. Ik heb nog 7 spins. Doe het! Dan wordt het ziek hoor. Denk het niet. Oh! Zzzt. Ja! Zzzt. En hij... Oh nee, hij hit hem net niet. Retrigger. Bam, bam, bam, bam, bam. Oh, dit kan dik worden hoor. Alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft. Doe het. Niet allemaal dood. Ja, ja, ja, ja, ja. Hop, hop, hop, hop, hop, hop, hop. Oh, dat was te veel graag. Eén hitje nog. Ja! Ja! Ja, de boventaartjes! Het is mega! Ja! The fuck? Tering! Nee joh! Oh, paap, jackpot baby! Hop, hop, hop, hop. Eindelijk weer! Yes! Buren wakker! Baba! 800 kijkers YouTube, babam! The fuck? Nog 3 spins? Maar kanonnen! Oh, dit was het! Oh nee! Oh, dat een taartje! Maar kom op, bam, bam, bam, bam! Wat een hit, jongen!
Star again. It's one of those games where the bonus is over in seconds, so you don't need to be too bored, do you? And you never know. It might go full screen crazy, mightn't it? Or you could go through the whole bonus with no hats. Okay, nice little re-trigger, good stars. Back to 11 spins. Get your hat out again, please. Yep, nice dollar sign. No. I mean, is that going to be a wild line? Kinda should be. Yeah, okay, that was really quite nice, that one. 283.92. Please give me a hat. Please. Give me a hat.
Look at them stars.
Give me a hat.
Where is the hat?
Oh, yes! Full screen. Get in. Oh, what? 10 extra spins. It's gone off its tits. How's it giving? It's giving me 10 extra spins. Give me multiplier fucking city. Give me multiplier city. Multiply them bad boys. Oh my god, this is going to be... Oh, I've just remembered. It's 10 extra spins. It's not fucking... I need a hat, don't I? Fuck! 459.20 whilst it's great and it... Yes, wilds. Yes! Fucking get in. So how much is that worth? I have had it before. I can't remember how much it's worth though. Oh, that is just... What a wonderful sight. What a wonderful sight. Kablam! Is that it? 798 quid. Oh my god, I dare you to do a fucking hat every time. So full screen wilds is 798 quid. Can we beat that with this $? Probably not, you know. Couple of multipliers. There's not very many good bits there though, is there? Times one of those big uns. Ah, yeah, that's not amazing, is it, really? Yeah, it is. 652. Give me another hat. Dare you. Hat. Come on, hat me! Re-trigger fuck right off. 9 spins. Give me a hat. Never had this many spins on the fucker, have I? We all know what we want to see, and it's a big black hat, please! Come on. 5. Yes, wild. Yes, fucking beautiful 798 spondoolies! Yes, fucking hell. You would think that that was more though, wouldn't you? Than 798 quid. Come on, 2 to get one more hat. One more hat on the last spin? Yes, thank you. I'll have a $sign there. Oh, I didn't mind a $sign. It's pretty much gone for 4k, hasn't it? Just over. That is happy fucking days. Boff. 798 quid. 4,009 and 60p. 28 spins. That's got to be some sort of record.